everyone, welcome to another yoga pose video. Today we'll be going through inversions. This is a beginner inversion class. So we'll go through down dog on the wall and dolphin on the wall. So if you've never done inversions before, this is the class for you. And I recommend that you've done at least one yoga class before, but you should be good because I do these poses with beginners all the time in the classes that I teach. So yeah, give it a go, don't be scared, you'll be fine. Okay, let's get into it. So to start with, grab your mat and place it under the wall. If you have carpet, you don't probably need a mat. I find it easy without the mat, with the carpet, because the mat slips. So just make sure that you have a comfortable spot to do this. So you're going to be standing with your back facing the wall. And firstly, you come down into down dog. So you probably have done down dog before. If you haven't, check out another video with how to do that. Okay, so hands down, heels to the wall, press your hands, wrap the shoulders, push your weight back onto the wall. Step your left leg up and right foot up. Once you're up, press the shoulders, pull belly in, walk your feet down flat, breathing into your back, relaxing head and neck. When you've done that, if that's easy, you can bring one foot off the wall, press the hands, and change legs in the air, like that. And if you really want to challenge, this is not beginners, this is advanced, you can bring both feet off the wall. Okay, and walk feet down. Sometimes that's easier than other times. Okay, so that was down dog on the wall. Next we'll do dolphin on the wall. So for dolphin, you've got to get into dolphin first. So come into your forearms, measure the opposite hand to the opposite elbow. Forearms back down, inhale, push shoulders back down and around. And then come into dolphin, which we'll do over here. Sorry, with your heels to the wall. So heels to the wall again, like the down dog. Press back with heels on the wall, and now bring one foot on the wall, other foot on the wall, press your forearms, and then straighten your legs. That's it. Head and neck relax, pressing through forearms, pull belly in. And you can walk your feet down. And that's it. I trust you enjoyed that. If you have any questions or just want to let me know how you went, I would love to hear how you went. Yeah, and I'll see you in another video. Namaste.